So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me how does Spotify work on the actual, let's say, Apple Watch. So first of all, I'm going to just show you real quick. You put the actual do not disturb on and now you're ready to go. So how does Spotify actually work? So you've got various options. If you go downwards, you can see it says open remote and here you see Summertime Sadness. It tells you the actual song you're hearing, and this is spotty on the actual Apple Watch. So as you can see, it says liked songs, it says your playlist, and also evidently you can also go to your actual let's say Spotify actual emoji. So there you go, and you can just click on it and you can also see everything you are watching or everything you're liking. So it's really that simple, to be honest. I think it's great. And if you're running and you just want to start running, you click here, you start the workout, and at the same time you're hearing your music. Okay, so I think that's pretty much amazing. Let me know in the comments what you think about the actual Apple Watch, both the Ultra and the normal actual Apple Watch, the SE, and let me know if you would actually buy it. Thank you very much for watching.